Hey everyone, this will be a quick video. This is just to possibly help you guys out if you guys run into this issue. So, Passport released version 0.6 the other day, and I don't know if they intentionally did it, but it created a breaking change, and it's the weirdest change that I've seen. So, I'm thinking it's more of a bug than anything else, but if any of you guys update your packages to try to keep yelpCamp up to date and you run into this, then good luck finding any answers on Google right now or on GitHub or anything like that. So, but right now I'm running everything, the old versions. I haven't updated anything yet from the last time I made a video. So if you try to log in, that works. You log out, it works. But if you install a package or anything, you'll see that there's a couple of high vulnerabilities. And if you're an npm audit, one of them is EGS mate, and I think both of them are tied to that. But they released version 4, I think it is. So I'm gonna run NCU, and yeah, EGS mate went to version 4, Passport went to version 6, and a couple of others have had some minor bumps. So I'm gonna tell it to update the package.json file. Let's go ahead and install it. So now everything's up to date. There's no vulnerabilities, so we're looking good there. Now, if I go to log in, it works just fine. If I go to log out, it gives me this error. And it doesn't really give you a whole lot of help. It just says it requires a callback function. So that's easy enough. It's weird. I don't understand why it's doing that. So right here, we'll get rid of this. We don't need the rec.session.destroy. You could use that if you want to, but it's fine. So right here, we're just going to create an empty arrow function. And we're going to take this code here. We're going to post it there, or paste it there. We can get rid of the space. We'll save it. And now if we refresh, we're still running that request for the logout, so it worked. I can go to login, it works. Go to logout, it now works again. And again, this is only if you update your latest packages and you're running Passport version 6 or version 0.6. Again, I don't know why this is happening. Their documentation is really old. People have actually complained about that. There's actually an issue on the tracker for on GitHub, and so I know they're in the process of updating it, or it was at least an enhancement request. So who knows if it'll get updated. Most of their docs are actually pretty old. So anyway, that's it for this video. It's just a quick update to help you guys out if anybody's stuck. So if you guys need anything else, just let me know in the comments. Thanks.